Bodelong Fitness Company Limited is a modern fitness equipment manufacturing group with 200,000 square meters manufacturing base, who is specialized in production, research, design, and sales of premium commercial fitness equipment and integrated with the fitness club operations and management. Up to now, Body Strong has developed itself into a large fitness industry group. Our new factory was put into operation in December 2019. There are 4 main huge different workshops. In our modern machining workshop, we adopt the advanced facilities to help us achieve the automatic production. At the same time, it can also ensure the precision of the equipment. We also use many environmental protection devices to ensure we cannot have pollution in our production. Now we can provide more than 300 different kinds of commercial fitness equipment of the full range, including strength equipment, multifunction gym stations, CrossFit, spinning bikes, and commercial elliptical machines, magnetic bikes, and commercial treadmills. We always insist the concept of technological innovations to adapt to customers' continuously extended aesthetic demands. Over the past 20 years, Body Strong Fitness is a wonder of development, which has grown out of nothing and expanded from a small to a large company. Nowadays, more and more gyms with commercial fitness equipment from Body Strong Fitness are set up in all provincial cities all around China, as well as hundreds of secondary cities, ranking top among the domestic competitors.